For 'twas a joyful sound to hear our tribes devoutly say, "Up Israel, to the temple haste, and keep your fest all day." At Salem's courts we must appear with our assembled powers, in strong and beauteous order ranged, like her united towers. Thy sacred walls, a constant guest be found, with plenty and prosperity thy palaces be crowned.